Proxima Centauri b, a nearby alien world. Just over 4 light-years from Earth lies the Alpha Centauri system, the closest stellar system to our Sun. It consists of three stars. Alpha Centauri A is a yellow, sun-like star, slightly larger and brighter than our Sun. Alpha Centauri b is a smaller orange star, cooler and dimmer. Together A and B form a close binary pair. Orbiting far beyond them is Proxima Centauri, a faint red dwarf star, and currently the closest known star to Earth. Proxima Centauri is tiny compared to the Sun, only about 15% of the Sun's diameter and 12% of its mass. Its surface temperature is around 3000 Kelvin, giving it a deep red color. Despite being close, it is invisible to the naked eye because it emits very little visible light, most of its energy coming in the infrared. Proxima Centauri, a small but active star. Proxima Centauri is a flare star. It frequently produces powerful stellar flares that release bursts of radiation. While its total luminosity is only 0.17% of the Sun's, planets must orbit extremely close to receive enough energy to stay warm. This creates very different environment compared to our solar system. Planet Proxima Centauri b, discovered in 2016, Proxima Centauri b is an Earth-mass exoplanet orbiting just in 0.048 astronomic unit from its star, about 7.3 million kilometers, far closer than Mercury is to the Sun. Proxima b is estimated to have 1.3 times mass of Earth, diameter roughly Earth-sized, about 12,000 to 14,000 kilometers, gravity 1.1 to 1.3 g, slightly stronger than Earth, year length 11.2 Earth days. Because it orbits so closely, Proxima b is tidally locked. One side permanently faces the star while the other remains in endless darkness. There is no traditional day-night cycle. Instead, the planet is divided into three distinct regions: a permanent day side, a permanent night side, and a narrow terminator zone between them. So we have three worlds on one planet. Permanent day side. The day side receives constant red and infrared light. Despite the star appearing three times larger than the Sun does from Earth, the light is much dimmer, comparable to deep red twilight. Temperatures could range from 0 degrees to 50 degrees, depending on atmosphere and cloud cover. The sky would appear dark crimson or brownish, not blue, with soft shadows and little glare. Permanent night side. The night side is extremely cold, with temperatures possibly falling below minus 150 degrees Celsius. Ice dominates the landscape. Frozen rock, carbon dioxide, frost, and water ice. The atmosphere may partially collapse here, making pressure much lower. However, the sky would be spectacular, filled with stars, the Milky Way clearly visible, and the bright pair of Alpha Centauri A and B shining like beacons. Terminator Zone. Between these extremes lies the most stable region. Temperatures could range from minus 20 degrees Celsius to plus 10 degrees Celsius. Atmospheric pressure might sit between zero point 0.3 and zero point 0.8 bar, and winds constantly flow from the hot side to the cold. This zone considered the most promising place for life. What might life look like here? If complex, multicellular plant-like life exists in Proxima b, it would almost certainly live in the terminator zone. First possibility: low-lying, dark-ribbed organisms forming vast fields across the ground. Instead of green leaves, they would have near-black surfaces, optimized to absorb red and infrared light. Their bodies would be flattened to avoid strong winds and to trap heat near the surface. Photosynthesis would operate slowly but continuously, powered by constant twilight. Second possibility, modular plate-like growth anchored to rocks. These organisms could resemble overlapping armored scales, with light guided inward through translucent channels. Thick outer layers would shield delicate cells from radiation and flares. Growth would be slow but extremely resilient. Third possibility is underwater life. In regions where geothermal heat keeps water liquid beneath ice, shallow subsurface seas could exist. Here, plant like organisms might float or cling to rocky vents, using infrared light filtering through ice or chemical energy from the plant's interior, similar to Earth's deep sea ecosystems. Across all scenarios, life would look nothing like Earth plants. No trees, no grass, no bright colors, only dark, efficient, resilient forms adapted to cold, low, light, thin air, and constant wind. Proxima Centauri b is not second Earth, but it is one of the most fascinating worlds we know. A planet where sunset never ends, stars shine even at noon, and life, if it exists, would be shaped by physics far different from our own. One day, with future telescopes and interstellar probes, we may finally see this nearby world directly. If you enjoy this deep dive into our nearest exoplanet neighbor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in comments. The universe is closer than we think.